It's an unlawful.
No
It's an unlawful.
and expired.
Go
so
get.
There's 2 traffic violations.
I want a sergeant. Have I committed a crime? Have I committed a crime? Is your body cam on?
It sure is.
Okay.
So is yours. It's fine.
My lawyer told me to keep my stuff locked in a safe unless you have a warrant.
Okay, you go by Chris or Christopher?
I don't answer questions, sir. I reserve all of my rights right now.
It's not that big a deal. Okay?
Can I have a lawyer?
What's that?
Lawyer.
Lawyer?
Yeah, I want a lawyer present to
Okay.
be questioned by police.
All right, today we've got an idiot sovereign citizen going head-to-head with a non-nonsense cop, and let me tell you, this one gets entertaining real quick. You've got to see it to believe it. The way this guy tries to talk his way out of everything is just something else. Stick around, you're not going to want to miss this.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good.
Hey, I stopped because you don't have a front plate, but also your plates are expired.
That doesn't sound like a valid reason to pull me over.
Yeah. Well, no front plate is a valid reason, and then the expired plates are also a valid reason. So, do you have a driver's license with you, sir?
Do you have a search warrant?
I don't need a search warrant.
Yeah, you do.
No.
Do you have probable cause?
Yeah, the plates.
That's not probable. There's no crime being committed.
Okay. If you'd like to see it that way.
Well, that's law.
Okay. I'll just have you stay here for a minute then, and I'll get another car here. And
Sure.
we'll
Go ahead.
take care of things, okay?
And we got 2 officers on the fucking scene for no tags. Well, expired tags.
HM, maybe it's because you couldn't even identify yourself and you're acting like a stubborn little baby about it. I mean, honestly, that's literally why the first officer called for backup. She saw your meltdown coming and was like, yep, we're gonna need a whole squad for.
Alrighty, sir. Go ahead and roll down your window,
It's down.
and I'm going to ask you again for your driver's license, registration, and insurance.
I can hear you just fine.
You're going to have to roll down the window so I can hear you.
I can hear you just fine.
Well, I can't hear you, though.
Well, that's not my problem.
Okay? But I'm telling you, the reason for this traffic stop is
It's an unlawful.
no front plate
It's an unlawful.
and expired.
Go
so
get.
There's 2 traffic violations.
I want a
okay?
sergeant.
I have Deputy Sturdy here with me.
Okay,
so I guess
I want a sergeant. Bring a
Okay.
sergeant.
what for?
Because I'm requesting one on site.
But what is a sergeant going to tell you any different?
And what's your badge? What's your name and badge number?
It's Deputy Wick
Wick?
with Lancaster County Sheriff's Office.
What's your number?
902122.
902122.
So you can go ahead and call dispatch and ask to speak to Sergeant Gaston, I believe is on today.
No, ma'am. Request him on site, please.
What's that?
Request him on site, please.
This dude must be mentally insane, acting like calling for the sergeant is just gonna magically make his violations disappear or something. Like, bro, how about you just follow the law in the first place and maybe you wouldn't be in this mess to begin. Why?
Okay, but what I guess I'm not going to understand what a sergeant on site's going to matter.
Because he has more authority than you.
Okay? So if the sergeant comes out here, then you're going to identify yourself and provide a driver's license.
Have I committed a crime? Have I committed a crime?
The crime is the violation of the traffic law that I pulled you over for.
The Supreme Court's ruled in my favor, ma'am.
Well, the Supreme Court says that I can stop you for not having a front plate and expired registrations.
Show me the case law.
So, are you going to comply with my request?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Because it's an unlawful request. Is your body cam on?
It sure is.
Okay,
So is yours. It's fine.
I know. What's this guy's name and badge number?
This is Deputy Sturdy.
Sturdy? Badge number?
I didn't run Christopher.
Huh.
This is Robert's.
Yeah. Hey, Christopher, roll the window down.
I don't answer questions. What's your badge number, sir?
902147.
902147.
Reason she stopped you, is you got expired plates. You're not suspended. You're not anything like that. It's registered to Robert, who's sitting right over there. It's not that big a deal. Let's don't make a bigger deal than what we
You're
have.
not getting my ID without a warrant.
Okay.
Or probable cause that I've committed a crime.
Okay.
Not having plates is not a crime.
Here, listen. Do you have your driver's license with you?
Do you have a warrant?
I don't need a warrant. Do you
Well,
have a
you need
driver's
it.
license?
My lawyer told me to keep my stuff locked in a safe unless you have a warrant.
Okay.
I'll bet $500 this sovereign citizen's lawyer never said that. I mean, these guys are out here making up their own laws like they're the ones who wrote the Constitution. If he actually had a real lawyer, they'd be like, dude, just show your ID and save us all the...
You have a valid license, which I know you do.
So why do you need it?
So she don't know who you are.
That's
I
not
know-
my problem.
know
I don't
who
need to
you are.
identify to you.
Okay. Will you acknowledge that you're Christopher?
No.
You are?
No.
Okay. And that's Robert over there, the registered owner. So, it's not that big a deal. Do you go by Chris or Christopher?
I don't answer questions, sir. I reserve all of my rights right now.
It's not that big a deal. Okay?
Can I have a lawyer?
What's that?
Lawyer.
Lawyer.
Yeah, I want a lawyer present to
Okay.
be questioned by police.
This is way, you're making it way
No,
more
I'm
difficult.
standing on my rights, sir, which you took an oath to uphold.
Okay, and I'm doing that.
No, you're violating my
No,
rights
I'm not.
right now.
As a motorist in the state of Nebraska.
I'm not a motorist.
on
I'm
foot.
I'm
You're-
traveling down the
you're
road.
traveling?
I'm not conducting commerce.
Okay,
I'm not for hire.
okay. It's Christopher and Robert. So just hang tight for me. You're not free to leave.
I gotta have a bed for this.
You did. Well, we were going over to Steve's. But then you wanted to roll through Denton. You told me last night.
Dude really made his buddy get out of bed for this. Not only that, but he's over here laughing while wasting all the public resources in the city. I mean, come on, you're making everyone's day worse just for a little drama.
Alrighty, Chris, I have your citation for that no valid registration. Okay? There's a couple ways you can take care of it. You can appear in court on April 24th at 9 o'clock in Lancaster County, or you can pay the fine plus the court costs. You fill out the back and send it in that way. I am going to need a signature from you. It's not saying you're guilty. It's just saying you're going to take care of it right down there at that line. Go ahead and sign that.
Going under, sir. This guy really can't do anything right. It's like he's trying to set a world record for messing everything up in one go.
Thank you. Alright, let me go get a copy for you, okay? He's still not free to go, so stay right here.
Can I have all three of your business cards, please?
Yeah, you can totally get all three of their business cards right after you pay your ticket for being an idiot. I mean, you're about to have a full collection of I'm not following the...
Alrighty, Chris, here's your citation then, and since I'm not able to improve you have insurance, I'm going to recommend you don't drive away because that's unlawful as well.
Do you have business cards?
I do not. So, but you need to get insurance or be able to show proof of insurance to operate a motor vehicle in the state of Nebraska.
And I
okay?
say next time you guys need to get a warrant.
No, we don't.
You do.
We do not.
You do.
Okay, just leave the courts here then.
Am I free to go?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Moments before disaster, drop your predictions in the comments. Do you think this genius is going to leave his car parked, or is he about to drive away and get pulled over again for driving without insurance? Either way, this is about to be.
Hold that. Just keep it pointed at him.
No, that shit's in here.
It's recording.
Oh, okay. Well,
That way, right?
nah.
Bye, ponytail. to Steve's now?
I think I've had enough excitement for today.
Even his own friend doesn't want to be around him after that stunt. I don't blame him. That was straight up embarrassing. The cops decided to leave him alone for now, but let's be real, this clown will probably end up back in court pretty soon anyway. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more hilarious sovereign citizen fails like this.